The dichotomy of Ripple. Over the past month, Ripple, XRP, has blown up by almost 1,400% and is showing no signs of slowing despite periodic pullbacks. Over the past month, Ripple, XRP, has blown up by almost 1,400% and is showing no signs of slowing despite periodic pullbacks. Pugilist Ventures released a 19-page report in early December 2017 analyzing Ripple, the company, and native asset, XRP. We highlighted Ripple's great company fundamentals and XRP's speculative investment potential, high risk and high reward. The fundamentals in the case of XRP are basically its long-term probability of becoming a quasi-reserve currency, QRC, for financial institutions. We say quasi because we do not believe central banks will ever fully relinquish their local currencies without a fight. The path to QRC status will need to include demonstrable growth within the following areas: liquidity and market makers, institutional derivatives that would allow banks to hedge foreign exchange exposure on their balance sheet, onboarding financial institutions onto XCurrent plus XRapid in both exotic and non-exotic corridors. The crypto space is in a speculative, frothy frenzy currently. Under these circumstances, fundamental analysis becomes less important in the short term since speculators will trade on emotion and greed compared to fundamentals. Pugilist made an XRP trading recommendation to our internal investor network right after we released our report last month. We stated that despite XRP's long-term hurdles, their price action and technical analysis charts were setting up nicely for a price spike. At that time, XRP was trading between 25 cents to 30 cents. We did not forecast a specific price target given we don't own a crystal ball, but we did see an interesting dichotomy forming. Pugilist Ventures maintains its speculative fundamental evaluation and positive short-term trading view for XRP, simultaneously. Furthermore, if XRP maintains its exponential growth during 2018, then its long-term fundamentals may change for the positive according to the theory of reflexivity a la George Soros. By simple definition, reflexivity is a three-part process whereby an asset's price increase drives investor expectations higher, which positively changes the asset's fundamentals, resulting in further price appreciation. Rinse and repeat. Reflexivity for XRP. Reflexive price appreciation and expectations may substantially increase demand and mainstream adoption for XRP. For example, imagine if XRP supersedes Bitcoin's BTC market cap in 2018. This speculative demand spike would dramatically increase liquidity and potential derivatives coverage, which would help Ripple onboard more banks, few objections to adoption, onto XCurrent plus XRapid, thus improving XRP's fundamentals, i.e., the path to QRC status. Summary: XRP is being driven primarily by speculation in our opinion. However, this speculation may actually increase the long-term probability of success for XRP by increasing market liquidity, derivatives coverage, and mainstream adoption as medium of exchange and store of value, while planting the seeds of a future QRC debate, all of which provide fuel to Ripple's most important business goal of growing financial institutions using both XCurrent and XRapid for global payments. Only time shall tell if this path bears fruit for Ripple and XRP.